Take a look at stock ticker symbol BTCS right now. BTCS is currently traded at 0980 right now. A lot going on with this one as well. We've seen this big move over here back in August of 2017, but from there on out, let's go ahead and look at the channel that this one has formed here really nicely. So this is going to be around the 15 cents to be exact, actually around the 14 cents. You could have put it up there at 15 as well, but I think that makes a little bit more sense around the 14. So you guys come back down here to the 08, back up to the 14. You guys kind of dance around there around the 10 and 11 right there for a while. Back up to the 14. You guys had a nice little breakout here. And then once you fell below that resistance or support level, again at 14, back down to the 08. And guess what? Back up to the 14. Back down to the 08. Look at that. I mean, this is what they call an ATM. I mean, people are in there making almost 80% gains, 80% flips inside that channel. So right now at 0982, you guys are below the levels that I would be watching at 1018 and 1051 up here and the 12. Again, there's going to be a few levels here that we need to watch. I'm going to put in as a resistance level around the 1091. 1091. I'm going to leave that there just exactly like that for the 10-day simple moving average as well as the 20-day simple moving average. So right now, currently, you guys have 7 million shares being traded so far today with the average volume of 23 million for the last 20 days. You guys have fallen through the 20-day simple moving average. I would expect, in my personal opinion, unless buying pressure really starts picking up, to start pulling you guys back down to that 08 area here, again, in my opinion. So 09, I think we're going to be able to snap in a level of support. So your next level of support would be around that 09. 08 is going to be the bottom down there that I am going to put in here as going to be the must hold. So you guys have the 14 and the 8 is going to be the main levels here right now for BTCS. And the current date right now is 12/8, followed up by the 0975 for the current price. Resistance levels at 1018. 01 and 10 is a big difference. 1091, 12, and then the 14. Support levels 09, 08 must hold. And then I'm going to put in here a break of 14 would break out, in my opinion. Watch for a bounce off of the 08. Again, this, you guys know how I do this with these stock charts. This is going to be for the term of, maybe next week or so. You know what I mean? As far as from there on out, a lot of things can change. Stocks can make a lot of big moves in just a short period of time, obviously. But with that being said, again, you guys broke through those levels that I'd be watching. So if history repeats itself, it's probably going to pull down to that 08, then bounce. That would give you an opportunity down there at the bottom because you're not too far off of it, considering it was just at 14 cents over here 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. All right, so the opportunity is here right now. We're going to watch it unless that turns around, breaks through that 1087. I told you guys to watch that level as well. BTCS, if you guys follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We would appreciate it very much, but make sure that you check out the links in the description below for the BTCS Stock Message Board. BTCS Stock Message Board is going to give you unlimited posts and messages from user to user. And on top of that, you're going to have all the tools that you need to do your research completely free just by joining the site. Again, that's going to be Investors Hangout. The link's in the description for the BTCS Stock Message Board.